and
Tell me, how can I log into Snowflake based on which concept?
SAS mode.
SAS small is fine. Then we can log in with the help of user ID,
Password.
user ID and password and other things. What are the other things? Only user ID password. So we're having SS4, MFA. What is SS4?
Single
It's a
sign-on.
single sign-on. Okay, single sign. What is MFA? It's a what is MFA?
Multi-factor authentication.
Multi-factor authentication. Okay, so these are simple. Okay, so these are like sometimes we depends on the company. We'll try to log in. So one is by using user ID password, other is by using single sign-on, other is what multi-factor. Okay, see, we'll have one Duo mobile app with it. They'll get the notifications. Okay. Like this depends on the company's policy. So this is okay. The same thing. Tell me which Snowflake data warehouse we're okay, which UI we're trying to log in. Which UI? What's the UI name? We're working. Which UI? We're having Snowsite and the Classic Console. Two things are there. Okay, Snowsite UI and the Classic Console is there. So in the Snowsite, which one you're working right now? We can able to say both. Okay, in the remember in the paid version now we'll have both things. But in the practice now we have only what UI? This is which UI? What's the UI? Say Snowsite UI. Snowsite. Okay. But in the let me show you how it will be. Okay, now see, okay, in the paid version of what happened, they'll have the classic console option will be there. When you click on this thing, what happened, you'll navigate to the classic console. One more time, in the free version, we don't have this option. See, we are not having this option. Okay, so this option is not okay. But in the paid version, we're having the option of classic console. When you click on this, now what happened, it will navigate to it, navigate to the classic console UI. Okay, so one is classic console, other is the Snowsite UI, one is the Snowsite. It's a CLI. We'll see the same thing. As of now, we're working with a Snowsite UI. Snowsite UI. Okay, so this is same thing. Okay, now tell me go back to Snow. Right? Okay, where I should open? Which I should open? I should open SQL worksheet. So SQL worksheet. SQL worksheet. Tell me. Okay, now I want to go back here. One second. What's the table name we discussed yesterday? Fruits. Tell me, I want to get this database, this schema. How to get this database, this schema by using commands?
use database.
So use database, our database name. Okay, so dev, DB. So dev. Same thing. Use schema. So use schema. So dev DB dot sc. So in particular database. Tell me by using query, I want to find what is my database name and what's my schema name. That is by using select current
database.
Okay, current scheme. So these are simple, but what happened important. Okay, current database and the current scheme. Okay, and what is the time? How to get the time? Current time.
Correct.
Okay, so these are okay. So it will be the timestamp. Now, which timestamp is okay? So it's following what time zone? It's following US. Okay, which one? America, Los Angeles. Where you can able to check this timestamp time zone. The show parameters. The show parameters we can able to see. Okay, auto commit option. So time zone option will be available. Okay, see time. So time zone, what they're trying to do, following. Okay, we can able to change this thing. America, Los Angeles. Okay. Now what happened in this data, in this schema, I want to find list of table. We should go for what concept? We should go for show tables concept. So this is fine. What's the table name? I want to get fruits table. The fruits table and the fruits pack. So this is important. Some topic is pending. We can able to close. Tell me how to see the data by using which command? By using select the star from fruits name. It's projecting all the columns and all the records. Now I don't want all column. I want only ID column. Okay, see ID column. Tell me what are the records we're having? What records we're having?
3124.
Mango, apple, banana, pie.
One second. Answer. Okay, what? So I'm taking IDs. It's a so 3, 1, 2, 4. Okay. So this one we're having what? So 3, 1, 2, 5. Okay, so both are same. What is difference? Only here 4 is there, here 5 is there. Okay. Now what happened? Now I'm trying to perform union. Tell me what will the union output? Union output. What is it?
Distinct and duplicate.
What is output? Exact output. What is exact output?
3, 1, 2.
So 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. That's it. Union. What is union? Union will do.
3, 1, 2, 5.
3,
3, 1, 2, 4,
3, 1,
5.
4.
1,
4,
2,
5.
3, 4, 5.
So see what happened. Okay, this is important. Now tell me what is union concept important? Union is what? Clubbing first result set with the second result set and it will eliminate duplicate records. Now what happened here? 3 is duplicate, 1 is duplicate, 2 is so it will be 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. So 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, so 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, now what happened? So this is one. But what happened? Tell me now. Tell me sorting is there? Huh? Sorting is there? Huh?
No.
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 Okay. Now tell me in Snowflake we don't have the sorting options. Okay, see sorting option. Then what we should do? So see we should do explicit sorting. Now what happened? This is important. Now I'm putting order by 1. Tell me what will happen. First column will get sorted 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, same thing. Second column order by 1. Okay. Now tell me so it will be same thing. Now when I try to execute the clubbing the two things not work or not, anyone any idea? Now I'm trying to club the things.
No, I do not.
Why?
For query output on one order bias, not for column.
Tell me. Okay, see the same thing now. If now it's working fine separately. Okay, it's working fine separately. Okay. Now what happened? Let me execute. Now see, it is not correct. Reason is that what is the reason? What is the reason?
Order by will be based on the output, not
You
based
see?
on the query. Order
Okay,
by
no,
will execute based on the query.
okay. So see, concept is that what? Okay, so mute yourself. So concept is that what see it will work separately. Okay, it will work separately. But what happened when I try to club? No, it won't work. Reason is that what? Okay, see, rule is that what? Same number of columns and same data type. Okay, one more thing is that what? Order by should be at what? Order by should be at the last select statement. So this is one more important thing. Okay, order by should be at the last select statement. Now see, we should not write here. So see, remove this value. Okay, and put here. Now tell me it work. Now see, now it will work. Suppose see, let me add one more column union. Select one. Tell me now it work.
Not work.
No, because
No,
what happened?
won't
Order
work.
by should be what? Order by should be at the last select statement. Last select statement. This is fine. Now what happened? I want to give column alias. Suppose like see A I'm putting, so B I'm putting, C I'm putting. Now tell me which column alias it will take, A or B or C?
A.
A.
First
Okay,
one.
C. First one A. So C. Okay, suppose like if I remove this A, what will the output? Column alias?
ID.
Okay, see, remember it won't take B or C. So if you don't have no, it will take this column that is ID. Okay, so this is important. Okay, see. Now what is the conclusion? So see, same number of columns, same data type, order by should be last. And one more thing is that what? One more thing is that tell me column alias should be given at the starting. Got the point at the starting. Okay, so this is fine. And one more thing is that what see same number of columns, same data type. Okay, see, we'll see one more time. This is important. Select one union. Okay, select one. Tell me what is the output will get? Output. What is the output?
One.
One.
One. Why one?
You're only selecting, right? It selects one from dual.
No. What is select? No, tell me one more time.
Data type,
Unique values.
same data type, unique one.
Now, what is union functionality? Functionality is missing. What is functionality of union?
Remove
will
the
come
duplicate.
It will
Remove
come one and one.
Clubbing two result set and duplicate requires. Now it will be one only. Okay, that's what's okay, so this is fine hours. Okay. Now what happened? Now I'm putting P. Not a bit work.
Not work. Same
Uh,
data type should be there.
String data
Is
type.
it will not work. Okay, see. Okay. So this is fine. Okay, now see it will work. It won't work. What we discussed so far. So see, it should have rule is that what same number of columns and the same data type should be there. Now see here it says numeric value is not recognized. Why? Can you tell me what is the reason? Because so this is number and this is string. Now what happens is okay, see Snowflake cannot able to understand what exactly this be because it can able to recognize only number value. This is number. You should expect one more number value. So one more number. It's working fine. But what happened instead of number, I put something like this. Now what happens is numeric value P because so see same data type should be there. Now suppose if you have single quote, now it will work fine because both are string. Now what happened now? Requirement is that what I want to make this one to be work. Okay, what I should do? What I should do? We should convert the data type. Now I'll try to. This is important. Okay. Now one. What is JJ here? What is JJ here?
Column alias.
Column alias.
Alias.
Okay, now see the same thing. This is important. Okay. Now tell me number is coming to at which corner? Number is coming to at which corner?
Right corner.
At the
Right side.
right side. Okay, string is coming to at which corner? To the left side. Okay. Now same functionality. Now tell me this is what? This is number or
Correct.
string?
String.
String. That's why it's coming to
String.
at the last. Same thing now. What happened? We're having one more concept is two char is there. So two char of one. Okay. Now see what happened now taking where? So so number is coming to at which position to the right side corner. So strings will convert. So we are converting single into number into string. So it is single quotes. One more concept is a two char. Another concept to convert number into string. Which concepts are there? Which concepts are there to convert number into string? So one is what? So okay, so single quotes, two char, other is the cast is this. Cast. So see one as var. Okay, so we are converting number into string. That's what we are trying to do. This is one more thing. Okay, same thing. We are having one more concept is that what is the other concept? What is the other concept?
Typecasting.
This is only okay. So one more thing is that so colon var. Yeah. So see, this is the thing we can okay, see. One concept is that what so we can put simply single quote. Other one is the two char function, cast function, var char. We are converting number into string. So same functionality. Let me implement here. Or else like let me open. Yes, this is the thing. Copy this value. So this is important because now we should understand the functionality. Now this is ID. Now I'm putting name. Not limit worker. So one is number, one is string. Now if you put single quote, tell me what is output you get? Single quote. What is output? We are having 3124 here. Assume like apple, mango, banana. Okay, orange. What are things will get output, exact output? Anybody can tell me? So I want exact output.
Either,
So
right?
3124
There
then
will be given.
why it will give error?
String and
Data type.
Okay, so string and number. So like say I'm putting single quote. Now tell me how it work.
Worker.
yeah.
Okay, what is output? So 3124 is there, and here what we are having? We are having
312 output.
so mango, apple, banana, pomegranate. So this is important. Tell me anyway. So if you understand the concept, you should say, tell me what is output regulate?
ID mango, apple, banana, pomegranate.
Now tell me this is number or this is string? This is column or this is string as of now?
String.
It's a string. Now what happened now? Now to see 4 times I'm
ID,
getting ID. Why? Because so this is if I put this is no this will treat as a what? As a column. Okay, column. Okay, understand this is functionality is important. Okay, see. Okay, so this is treat as column. This treat as what? This treat as what concept? As a column. Okay, but when I put single quote, now it will treat as a instead of column, it will treat as a string. Now what happened? 4 times we're getting ID. Now tell me, suppose like if I club this thing, what happened? Output I want. We will get 4 times ID or single time ID?
Single time ID.
Why single time ID?
4 times ID. And
Or when you club.
Union, no, we won't
Yeah.
get anything.
Union.
What you don't get anything. Tell me.
Oh,
What is
sorry,
union?
sorry.
ID,
Union, yes, we'll get
Yeah,
ID
yeah.
and then
mango and all these things.
mango
like
and
My
all
question
other
is
things.
my question is that what ID will come 4 times or single time?
4
One
times.
time. One time.
4 times.
One time. One
So
time.
this is
One
what is
time.
union functionality? Clubbing 2 result sets and it will make duplicate records. It will
Duplicates.
get one record, one time only, no? One time ID. So what is the functionality? Functionality you're missing. What is union function? So clubbing plus clubbing 2 result sets plus what extract
Removing
string
duplicates.
to making duplicates. Okay, so removing duplicates. Okay, got the point. So functionality you're missing. If you're able to understand, so don't buy the concept. See, so here we are having 4 things are there, 4 times because there are 4 records are there. Clubbing is nothing but what 4 times ID clubbing with this thing. Next step is that what these 4 are duplicate records. You only one record one. So this is not correct. Tell me is correct. It is not correct approach. Other approach is that what how to convert number into string. We can go for what concept? We can go for to-char. Okay, see. Got the point. So 2K. So this is one concept. Okay. Other concept is that what we can go for what other thing? What is the other thing?
So
We can go.
2char ID is converting ID values or what? What it is doing?
No, ID is nothing but what? ID is nothing but what?
Integer.
Okay,
Integer.
so if you're not able to understand, go back here, select. So select ID from fruits. Okay, so this is my actual column. So see, put the semicolon. Okay, so this is one. Now see, this is numbers coming to at which side corner? To the right side corner. Now what exactly by using 2char? So 2char what's doing? 2char it is taking our column, it's converting to number into string. Now see, it's converting to coming to which corner? To the left side corner. Now it will treat now it's a number or string. String only now. So see, when you come like this, it's a string. Same thing, cast ID as varchar, ID as string. Now what happened now? See, this is coming to the left side. So when it coming, it's treated as a string, not as a number. Same thing in a similar fashion. So ID colon varchar. Anything text.
So do you have a function called string in Snowflake?
String is a data type.
Okay, I mean generally you catch it as char or varchar, right? I have never seen.
Now see what happened. So see, in reverse, Snowflake is a what? Snowflake is a data migration project. So data migration in the sense like what you can able to migrate from Oracle database, SQL Server database, so PostgreSQL. Okay, so anything Sybase. So see what happened in Oracle, we're having the concept of varchar. Varchar 2 is there. Okay. In SQL Server, we're having the concept of varchar is there. In some data types, what happened? Data types are having the concept of text is there, string is there. Okay, varchar is there. Now what happened? We can able to create anything. So see, let me create so that we get some clarity. So create table. Okay, so T3 ID. I'm putting text. ID1. I something varchar. Okay. I3 putting varchar 2. Okay, put your side. Okay. I4 I'm putting string. I4 I'm putting char. Now see, Snowflake supports text varchar to string. Now try to create. Now how to see list of columns? Tell me how can you describe how to see list of columns? Describe table name. Now see what happened. I'm trying to give what? I'm trying to give varchar 2, but internally converting to varchar. That's what's the point. Okay, see, Snowflake support creation of text varchar to string and char, but internally convert into varchar. That's what's the point. Okay, so because the migration project,
Can I show me syntax at the end of the create table? What was that after char?
it will be varchar. Everything is a varchar.
No, syntax. Can you just scroll down line 59?
Nothing, semicolon.
Nothing. Okay, got it.
So a functionality is that what Snowflake support multi-data, so data migration in the sense like what?
So
Different
here you don't
database.
have to
No,
you don't have to create any indexes or primary keys. It will take default primary key here, or there won't be concept.
We need to create separately the cluster by key concept. There we can able to.
Got Got it.
So, so see, in the sense like what? See here, what's the conclusion is that these are the synonym names. Okay, so these are the synonyms. So we can able to.
Got it.
Now come to our topic. So see, it will converting to by using char. It is converting to number into string. Cast, so we can able to put anything. I can put text or anything, or I can put character. Okay. So it will convert into these are the synonyms. So this is fine. Okay. So conclusion is that what? So rule is that what? Tell me what's the rule? If I want to perform set operators, same number of columns and the same data type should be there. Should be there. This is the functionality. Okay. And so tell me rule one more time. What is the rule to perform? Same number of columns and the same data type should be there. Should be there. To
One more
convert
question.
them. One second. One
So
second.
just like you are casting it as a string, right? To convert into integer, can we cast it as number as well? In Oracle,
Okay.
we'll have number.
I'll
not
write it once. Let me conclude. We can see. So what happened? Same number of columns and same data type should be there. So same thing here. Data type. How can you convert? By using to char. Okay. See. Okay. So other one is the cast function. Other is the double column.
Double column.
Okay. And one more thing is that odd by should be what? Odd by should be at the last. Okay. So this is the same thing. And one more thing is that column name should be given where? Column name should be given at the starting. Column alias should be given at the starting so that it will take. Okay. So one more time, I'll write. I'll explain. Okay. So the same thing. Okay. The same value. So mute yourself. Software say mute yourself. So see the same thing. Go back here. What happened? Forget about all these things. Okay. ID. Okay, tell me it work now. Here 2 columns, here 1 column. Okay, tell me it work. So what's the conclusion we discussed so far? So same number of columns and same data type should be. So this is one thing. Order by should be at the last and the same. Okay, same 2 columns should be there and the same data type, same data should be and order by should be last. Same thing. Now question is that what? Okay, select ID is there. So suppose see 1 is there. Now tell me 1 is coming at which corner? 1 is coming at which corner?
Right side corner.
Right side corner. Now we put in single quote. Now tell me this is coming at which side corner?
Left corner.
No, this is what? This is a string or number?
String. This is string.
Now what happened? I am trying to convert into 2 number. Now what happened? Now tell me it will come to which corner?
Right corner.
Right side corner. So we can able to convert. So see, but what happened? Tell me same thing. Can I perform like this for A? So it is not possible. Okay, see. So remember, functionality is that what we can able to convert number into string, but string cannot able to convert into number. But numbers, no, it's a string. It's a string. We can able to convert into number to that. So the conversion function. And also so for anyone. So these are important. Anybody tell me?
Yeah, one question.